Hi, my name is Edith, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to pause your account. If on a monthly subscription, administrators of an account may pause the monthly subscription for $5 per month. Once you pause your account, ClinicSense will host all of your data. You will have read-only access to everything within your account, including client files, SOAP notes, your calendar, reports, email communication history, and gift certificates. The account can be reactivated at any time. You can pause your account by following these steps. Click on your profile image at the top right corner. Select the subscription option from the drop-down menu. Click the Pause Account option at the bottom right. A new window will appear. Read through the message, then click on Continue. And that's how you pause your ClinicSense account. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@clinicsense.com. Have a lovely day.